Okay, for my third new technology that I wanted to present, um, we are looking at Teach Your Monster to Read. And our kindergarten teacher actually uses this in the classroom. It's great. It's a great website for pre-K, K1. Um, I signed up as a teacher, so let me get signed in here. And this is a website that you would use for teaching fun reading skills, just a fun way to teach reading skills, letter identification, letter sounds, and beginning reading concepts. Um, I did find that in using it, it would definitely be easier to use, I think, on a touch screen. I'm using my MacBook with my mouse, and so yeah, I do think it would be easier with a touch screen. However, it is free on any kind of device. So let's see here. What do I want to do? I'm going to go ahead and just show you like what it looks like for a child to play. They've assigned me a password, and you can go in and add like a large group of players. I added again like one student that I named Jane. And you can go in and you can change the password to something easier, or maybe your students, like our students, have an assigned password and they use that for everything. Excuse me. Let's go to play so that you can kind of see what Teach Your Monster to Read does.
Find the rest of my letters.
It's
and
pretty
I can
cute.
Fix part of your spaceship.
Let me turn this down for a second. I was able to design my own little monster, so each child gets to design their monster, and it was having me work on the letter S and the sounds that S makes. And so the goal was to like get all of the ducks into the S pond. Again, that's why I think this would be easier maybe with a touch screen. But let me quit that. And let's go back here to about the game. It explains all of these different things. Why is it free? It was given by Usborne Foundation, and they would like all children to learn to read and develop their reading skills, which is why they developed it. It'll tell you like what age it's for, how children can learn from this game. The teacher's area shows you some different lessons, how you can use this game in your classroom. I looked at Classroom Toolkit earlier, so this shows you some of the games and different things that this website can provide you with, which is pretty cool. Let's see here. I think that is about it with this one. I just thought it looked like a lot of fun. Back when I taught kindergarten, I know that my kids would have loved sitting down and playing this. You could use it in reading centers or just about any way you choose. My standards that I chose were technological, let's see, what did I choose? Technological Content Knowledge, TCK1. Candidates design and facilitate diverse learning activities that incorporate digital tools and resources. And then I chose ISTE Educator Leader 2C because of just being able to share this new resource with everyone. And ISTE Educator Facilitator 6B because you would be keeping students supported and on task learning with a digital tool. And they would be, again, using a variety of ways to improve their learning. Thanks, guys. I hope you will look up Teach Your Monster to Read.